Welcome to another repair video of TEKDEP. Today we have this Asus Zenbook which came with no power, it's not turning on and also not charging. So let's go ahead and check what's the issue with this laptop. Here I'm going to use my C-type meter. I'm going to plug the charger into the meter, then plug it into the laptop to check how many volts are flowing in. So here we have 20 volts, but the amps and the wattage are very low. So we're going to open the laptop, open the screws, and check the motherboard. The back cover is now fully open. Before we do any diagnosis, we have to remove the battery. There is a connector here. We have to slide down the connector and then remove the battery. Plug the charger again and see if there is any changes. 20 volt is there. Yeah, the amps and wattage are now rising. So most probably the laptop is turned on now. Let's check. Yeah, it's turned on. The laptop is turned on now. We have to turn it off and do a lot of diagnostics to check which part is the issue. This laptop is now turning on just because when we remove the battery, it already reset the BIOS and AC. So let's plug the battery again, maybe if there is a battery issue, and check if it's charging. Okay, now it's charging. Yeah, it's charging. The amps and the watts are going up again, but I think there is some issue with the port. It's going off as we move the charger, so it needs a specific part to charge the laptop. As we move the charger, the amps and wattage are going up and down, so there is some issue with the connector. Let's remove all the components and check the connector. We have to remove the flex cables here, the keyboard connector, the speakers. When we open the lockers, we have to be very careful because those connectors get easily broken. We have to remove all the screws also before we try to remove the motherboard from the body. Okay, now I'm going to use soldering lead and soldering flax. So what we are going to do here is we have to strings these charging ports. This laptop uses both the C-type ports here. I'm going to apply the flax liquid here, then use a soldering lead with a soldering iron. We have to strings these ports. There is 4 pins for each one. So we are going to string all the pins. So when we move the charger, the laptop will not lose the power from the charger, because if those parts are losing, that's where the laptop is not getting enough power. So now we have to check the strings of the ports. As you can see, it's kind of solid. Apply the cleaner liquid now. I'm going to use a brush to clean this one and move the plastic back again. So here we are going to test the ports. I'm going to plug my charger and try to wave the charger to check if there is any issue with the ports. As you can see here, it's charging quietly. Yeah, even when I move the charger, it's going good. So let's go ahead, assemble the motherboard, plug all the cables and check the laptop if it's working good. Okay, let's connect the battery, lock it in, plug our charger and check the laptop. As you can see here, it's charging, the volts, the amps are rising, it's good. Let's check one more time. Yeah, it's working. We have some dusty fans here also, so we're going to clean the laptop. Use an air blower to get all the dust out. Clean the cover and we're going to put it back on. Let's assemble the laptop. Let's put all the screws together. And I'm going to bring back the plastic rubber that I removed first after putting the screws. Okay, we have done assembling the laptop and it's working good. It's working good. So that's all for today. Hope this video helps you, and if you want any repair or parts, please feel free to check our website. We do offer a mail-in repair also worldwide, and there is a discount offer on all the parts we provide also. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Till next time, see ya.